Good morning, people of the earth. Because I'm not really sure whether on earth we did or we did another planet. Because the way the world is going now, I'm not sure if this is Earth or Jupiter. The kind of things where people they do these days is quite alarming. Very alarming. Anyways, at the Troway Salute, they greet everybody this morning. Welcome to Paddy Paddy. And it is Mayowa and Ogbolo, as usual, on top of the Paddy Paddy show. The day where you see two of us, something has to be wrong somewhere. But as the case may be, we welcome you irrespective of the wronging that is happening in the somewhere. So welcome to the show again. A beautiful Tuesday. It is, I must confess.
All right. From me, myself, and I say welcome to everybody on top of the show. And we have started. We have come back again. All of now, they send us message on top Twitter. Say, I love the show. It is sweet your body. It will make you different things. We appreciate you now. And we love una plenty. You can always send us yesterday, say man, I would love una presentation style. We said we love your viewing style. We love you for being there. We love you for enjoying the show too. We just love you for breathing. We love you say you be human being. We love you say you get wahala yourself.
You just love you for the sake of love.
For love's sake. You understand me now? So we now welcome again on top of the show, and don't worry. You go make brain today as usual. Okay, so we'll see the first video right about now. This one I cry matter. What they made the girl they cry? The first try explain to give me, but it not work for my head. But maybe we watch the video. Make we see I'm sharply. If now your problem be that, you don't have a problem.
Yeah, a child. It's okay. That kind of problems is okay for you. Don't worry yourself. It's okay for you. As you grow, your problem changes.
It go change. If they remind this girl the same thing in some few years time.
No, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I could never have said that. My God, I'm just a little child. No.
Like seriously, did I do that? Seriously, did I just do that?
Auntie, you did that.
Auntie, you did it. You did it. Oh yeah, I'll cry now. Maybe cry for. What would they cry for these size children?
Dollar don't go.
Dollar don't go. Children for you with the cry say dollar don't go. Pass the consign them.
I don't want to go to school.
Yeah.
I don't want to go to school.
Hey, now be out for you. Finish. All because they cry, different cry. Yeah. Or they thief your biscuits, they move your popcorn. They collect your coconut.
I don't like that teacher. She used to beat me.
Now be the cry. But say Obama or say president. I don't never cry for that one. Anyhow, sha. All right, more sharply go for yarn the yarn. Quickly, more give that the gist that we did for our hand for here. All right, so right about now, yarn the yarn.
Now just enter us like that. The way you people can just bring it upon us. Stop it, oh. One day you go just see me, they do you just put it on it. Wait and see.
They say Jeff come here last week, Abi.
Yes.
He carrying big head.
He come here, he say as they be now. When we come up in, he say, cha. He tough, oh.
I seen the sweat.
He say, tough, oh. Under that in cap.
Under that, hey!
He tough, oh.
With the head, because he wear cap.
No mind now.
Oh, please, I advise everybody with that side. If you get big head, no, they wear helmet. Please, you'll be like signboard. Please. Thank you. Jeffo. I don't say that before they will not frame out for camera. They say, close shot. Please
keep your
head like this. Do your head like this. You know it, you understand?
But it was amazing. You can't keep quiet small. Make her they do the talking because you're not really too sure when he's supposed to talk or no.
Him and Nkubi now, they wonder who get the biggest head. I don't know. Nkubi now, Edward.
Oh,
Eduardo. All right, so first gist. What's your your head?
I don't know. Blow it.
Something. No, I chop pepper.
Wait.
As they clean your make the people they talk the gist.
No.
Oh, yeah, talk.
My first gist.
Bam.
For inside Texas in the America place, this particular couples, then get couples, husband and wife. They have this thing that barns. Barns now where then they keep sheep, where then they keep whether they keep share, all this kind sheep-related animals. You understand? So then get this barn. Now, this barn, for a very long time, now barn. But in the year 2000, they don't transform thousands of that kind of barns. They don't turn them to beautiful mansions. As a matter of fact, now then they make mad money for them because they say Paul and Judy Pogue, Paul and Judy Pogue from McKinney, Texas, they'll be proud owners of two of most amazing bandominium made by Morton. One is their hometown and a 10-bedroom one in Oklahoma. See, wow. See what they convert them to. Now, the one in McKinney, a 6,600 square foot steel structure. I want to tell you that when they say something is 6,600 square foot steel structure, it is amazingly large and very, very spacious. And then from the outside, if it look boring, if it be like where did they make cement. But when you enter inside, now you go see the beauty of the steel structure for inside. And then the funny content is say the old band, they finish out with hardwood walls. That one means say constantly go they chilled.
Okay.
They finish out with hardwood walls and floors, leather finishing, chandeliers, a bar, kitchen, and all other comforts of a luxury home. Now, chandelier, now that's where they hang. See them for there. Where they hang for ceiling, where they fall. Now, if they can't put wood for inside walls and floor, that one means say that place go they always they chilled. Even if you don't put AC, it's going to be chilled because of the wood where they are. And then the leather seat, it go balance everything. So you no go there too hot, you no go there too cold. You go just there at every temperature. Your body go adjust to the temperature of that particular thing. As me and you they talk so now they get plenty of these things. And then the bandominium, it can be between $80,000 and $200,000.
Oh boy. All nice side this one this thing, no?
Yes.
That be the whole level. Anyway.
From ordinary ban, that's where they use straw. You know straw from plants. They use and make them. Where they keep sheep, they keep sheep food, all the sheep-related animals.
Yes.
All those animals where they get skin, where they feed, they make bags, shoes, and all. Now where they keep them? Now where they keep them? They just turn them to a very big machine.
Anyway, there's nothing too impossible sometimes. Or not just creativity and idea. Sometimes they differentiate the rich from the poor. Some they think, some not they think. This one now is a creative process. Okay, now based on this same house matter, carry me enter my own gist. This one now no be house things. This one now prison case. You see for here we get like Kiri, which other major prison?
Small division A, division Q, division E.
They people even carry you now. They no prison they carry you. They can't define you for the whole state. Yeah, but Kirikiri now one of the most. Now if you see the wall, But now you say for Colombia, this particular prison their own thing different. On a good day for prisons, now usually the guards and the prisoner guard them. They always checkmate everybody where they inside will be prisoners. And they control them. They say, oh yeah, do not behave like this. Oh yeah, time to go chop. Oh yeah, time to enter inside your cell. Oh yeah, time to do this one. Time to do that one. But for this particular prison for Colombia, they say the prison in La Modelo prison for Botoga for inside Colombia.
Colombia, of course.
11,000 inmates now they get. And those ones that they enjoy free anyhow behavior.
Because security no day now.
Security day, but their own now. The way they do the prison. Security now be the guard and then they carry gun. But the inmates, they will be the prisoners. See the crowd. Will be the prisoners, they hold they smuggle gun.
Now free spacing now.
So now, because for this particular prison, so different politicians and they there, bad boys and they there, different type of human beings they there. Every time they can't get two different factions them, where they fight themselves every time, fight, and those fights most time they result to death. So the guys are waiting for they no feel separate fight because they no feel hold gun. And when fights come start, this one will bring a gun. Yo man, po. So you will be guard when they come.
I don't like your face.
Exactly. So and for this one now, you enter that see as it please be like.
You know say for those of now where they watch movies, if you don't watch Prison Break, you know that other prison where they transfer Schofield go, that open yard field. It is a typical example, but this one works.
This one see crowd
past
now.
That one because you know say then they come out, they do fights. They don't even wear prison clothes.
And now.
Then they wash clothes, they bath, now open field, survival of the fittest.
And that gun matter what they carry so.
Yes, now.
Now cooperation from even some of the in-house security guard.
Yes.
Because
because they go get
corruption.
kingpin, they go get phone, it gets what we say in room, go be like palace.
They get canteen inside.
Now there.
Where the inmates, they run am.
They run am.
Now they get food, they go, they sell inside there. Say, now that town. Now that town entirely. But the
violence.
The violence, now be their own thing for that place. And as it be, so they come, they ask some of the guards, say, hey, I think they manage. The guy say, oh, as it be like this, so now the prisoners and they run things for you. We just do here to make sure, say, fence, nobody jump am.
We just wear uniform.
We just wear uniform. Just to make sure, say, okay, we just there around, to collect our salary last. But see, for this place, now these guys, they run things. Last. They say last time, 100 prisoners run. And that time, they do one big fight where almost 25 prisoners, now they kill themselves on top of the whole level. But they say, well, whether they run or they kill themselves, the people that they see they run the whole thing, they don't do anything.
And you know, say funny enough, some of these prisoners, no, 1 or 2 interviews where you go get with them, they go tell you, say they don't know how to live a life outside prison. Some of them, even if they give them parole and then come out, they go tell you, say they go do another thing, we go carry them back inside prison because the only life they know is prison life. Some of them feel like, especially the ones who be kingpin for inside prison, they feel like they're in a place where they are respected. So if they come out to the outside world, nobody respect them. You know, if they had to give prisoner work, if they had to give house
don't
prisoner,
get record before.
You understand? So all these things, them. So it's amazing because majority of them, some of them, for outside, if they know their papa, their cousins, especially these Colombian people, those Colombia, all those Italians, all those Mexicans, especially if they know, say, their family member they inside prison, then go deliberately do something so that they go fire them, enter their prison. They can't go form cartel.
Yes. Come from there,
they sell drugs, they sell drugs, different and for weapons, everything.
For where they happen.
So prison is not really a good place for anybody.
So do everything possible to make sure say you come and come out for nothing to carry go in prison place. Do you make your hand clean? Because it's very, very important. Make your hand clean. Anyway, we'll leave talk on top this whole level. We'll sharply go for one break now. We come back from the break, then we continue on top of yonder yarn, all right? Not go nowhere. We still they come back.
Anybody will get this dog. No carry and go around people where they knock animals. So because now so one human being now go say the dog was calling unto me. Don't be someone man go inside this thing. Go meet whale. Say the way the whale they wiggle. They tell him say I want you.
You never talk of the guy we like sheep.
We like sheep.
They don't like goats too. Different people. So
we take on a beg you.
Because this dog say can't find any.
If I pass on your son.
Carry purse.
Carry designer shoe, purse, the waka they do.
Hey, na me the rain, no, na me oh. He go shock you. Just pass the wrong street. We are Calabarians. Where you take collect your meat sell.
I'm sure that dog is a source of income for the owner.
Because
it go be like show.
Now,
because the dog actually walked on 2 legs for quite a while. And I know say apart from training, they know the 2 feet walk with 2 legs for too long.
Yes, now they got to train them to do that one. Correct one, Sha. Correct one. Ngwano.
All right, okay, so back to the matter. The second gist when I get for you, this one concerns Nepalese children. Now, it gets one particular river where they for inside Danghi village for inside Nepal. Now, that particular river, it separates two villages. It separates, not really 2 villages, but it separates 2 people in the same village, I think. So if you want to go to school, you have to get to the other side of that river. And if you want to visit family and friends, some people, they live for the other side of the river. So you have to get to the other side of the river. But the way where they take cross the river, now they off me.
Okay, how?
Then they use rope. And that rope, not be all these, see as then they cross. See as then they cross. And now people, they handle them. Not be say, one pole, they will hold the tree. Another person go, you understand? For both edges. Now so then they use them. Now, so then they do, and both children and adults every day go come. Even if you want to go market, every day. This is dangerous every day. But then the Nepal's Prime Minister, KP Oli, don't talk, say, in go do suspension bridges for the surrounding area. But in the meantime, before the suspension bridge, and then even if the rope, if they don't use rope, you know this cloth, they go sit down for inside heavy cloth. They can't tie the 2 sides, so it go be like this thing where they use carry luggage in the olden days. See as in the time, they go sit down inside 1 or 2 persons per time to cross the.
Well, me I for like try am.
Ogbolo, this is their everyday life.
If
na adventure island, if it makes sense. Now once in a while, they do it because you want to know as it be.
But some people don't fall for this thing.
Of course, people go, they fall, they wound or they die because not be everybody sabi swim. This kind of one I go make that mandatory to be able to swim, and you don't even know waiting there for inside the river.
If I be fish now, I will stay under. I will stay under. They do hee.
So this is dangerous. They live this life every day.
Anyway,
every day.
But we thank God for our own downfall. If not that one, we thank God for downfall. We thank God for keke. We thank God for Okada. Yeah, we thank God for taxi.
For our bridge,
for BRT. So we thank God. So while we vex, say government never do, we will still look the ones and we will still get the thank God though. Because some people still they will never still get the one we will get. Because
it's funny, they still they deliberate on this matter. This is not even something where government need to deliberate about. They need to do it ASAP.
Mayowa, not be our country now.
No
why you carry on for head like this?
So it's paining me.
Let them take care of their problem while we are taking care of our own. Anyway, for the last story for the hand now, sharply, this 106 years old mama. She said, one very wonderful thing don't happen for my life before I come and die finally. I go die happy. 106 years old woman, she don't see more than 10 different presidents come and go. She said, but last, she come meet Obama and the wife one-on-one.
So she can die in peace.
She feel die in peace now. Because they go on video they even.
You say people, even while they old age, they go. It will be like say when they see you, they see God.
All right, so quickly, we'll go for laugh sharply before we call the show to a closing close.
Now another thing is jam. We thank the Lord.
Say by their looks you shall know them. My brother, get lyrics for lips. Lyrics for lips.
Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy, at Mayowa Lambe on top Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter, at Mayowa Epo on top Instagram, at Ogbolo on top Instagram, at Wazobia TV NG. Follow the station. And then youtube.com/Wazobia TV, you go see Paddy. The same thing for facebook.com/Wazobia TV, you go see Paddy. And you can follow us as much as you like. Follow Dilada for as long as you want. Yeah.
We love you. We'll see you now tomorrow. God bless you. Peace, y'all. Get better day. Get better night. All right? Tomorrow, we love you. Bye, Gario. Yeah. If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make them sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.